couldn't see anything. But we have to be quiet now. As quiet as possible. When was the last time you just sat down and thought about what is going on with you? No phone, no iPad, no contacts, no computers, no books, nothing to look at, just you and yourself. Especially during these times, we are being confronted with ourselves much more than normally because we have to stay at home. Many of us can't do their normal jobs. We can't go outside and meet people every day. So we are at home with ourselves. This is not the greatest job on earth, but damn it, I don't care. So all we do now is waiting for the sun to come up. It should come up somewhere there in a few minutes. And then let's see if this shot is something worth. Are you comfortable with yourself? Just sitting somewhere, enjoying the ambient atmosphere, thinking about yourself, thinking about life, making plans for the future. Just you and yourself. Alright, part one is done. Now let's try to find some wildlife. Even though I think everything is startled by now. They've been... Oh, look at this. I can't see it properly. It's a white heron. There are many over here and some flew by a few minutes ago. Oh, the sun is coming. There we go. Nice. The swans are taking off. Let's see if we can get them. What just happened? There was a swan flying by, like 2 meters from me. I was like, wait. Okay, nice. Let me show you. That was nice. I think I've got some good shots. It's a very nice morning. There's hundreds of little birds here. And they just chill. Just sit, chill their morning. And that's it. Let's see if we can get up to the group over there. That would be nice, but I don't think they'll let us close. We'll see. rituals. Bathing, cleaning, cuddling in a way. That was awesome. I'm all wet and muddy, but that was awesome. So far we have only seen a very small portion of the area. I'm already very happy with what I got, so let's see if we can find more stuff on the other side of the lake. Well, actually there's two lakes. There's one here, one you see right here, and one on the other side. And I think the other one is even bigger, so kudos, huh? Peace, brothers. Ooh, that's bright. Ooh, that's bright. Yeah. Life's hard, huh? Look at these brothers. Chill, chill, chill. Nice. What is happening? Calm down. Just me. Little view of the left side of the lake. The western side. And this is the eastern side. We were coming from there. Many years ago I took a picture way over there when I just started photography, and it made me fall in love with photography. Let me show you the picture right now. Well, I guess now we know where all those ducks were hiding all this time. Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. What goes down must come up. Yeah, let's go back up there. Yeah. So nice. So if you ever have the chance to come here, it feels a little bit like being near the oceans. Seagulls, so many birds, I mean, this is just one part, and the other part is like over here. It's massive. You can walk for hours and hours around the lakes. There's this path around the lakes, this way, this way, this way, this way. Some of them don't lead to anything, but it's not about the lead, right? It's about what you experience during that walk. And if you come early or late, maybe even to sunset, it's absolutely beautiful here. It looks like land, but it's not. It's just mud, and it smells. Oh dear Lord, let's go. Can't get through there. It's some kind of what is it? An energy production center over there. So I guess I have to walk back. I mean, we could go there, but it takes hours to go back, so I'm not gonna do that today. Sorry. I would have loved to have another glimpse at the white herons or the grey herons, but it's a little late for that, and they are in their hiding spots. I can even see them from here, but it's so far away. It's at least, what is that, 600-700 meters at least over there, maybe even a kilometer. And the walk around, and then there's no access, so it's okay for today.